I'm talking in my thesis. I'm a blueprint, little bitch, you need me. I'm singing, I feel like Riri. Do you love me? Loving it was king. All straight up myself, yeah, only care about me. Yeah, I love all my bro, bitches like a Monterey. Said I stay rich, you know, that's how my league. If you wanna be, it's up, I just get fit. So I didn't say the way I'm going. I don't give a fuck, I'm finna sing. Me, my bros, and we catching all these lanes. You some trucks, yeah, I thought you were the land. You a bitch, I made you a bad. Shit gon' suck me up, nigga, with no pain.
Shout out when it's subs, man.
Bitch, I'm finna go fast, nigga, yeah, I'm finna ride. Got your hoe, she in the back, and you know she throwing back like a badass bitch. She gon' throw receipt rich, in the field like a quarterback. Leave him in the ditch. What the fuck do you want, nigga? I'm not with your bitch. Better keep her ass in check, cause you know she giving neck. Yeah, I had a reset, yeah, baby, had a reset. Yeah, it's 4K, shit, just getting money, placing bets. In the outfield, dodging all they play like Mookie Betts. Brody, I know you were ass, niggas tell you try your best. But nigga, we all know that me, you would charge for less. Ron spazzing effortless, shout out Hardy, that's my man. He said he got a bad bitch, do he know that nigga trans? I don't let that nigga put the gun down and use her hands. Yeah, I want a bad bitch, but for a rich bitch Japan. Yeah, so GF, nigga, yeah, you know only the fam. I'm a flinch at that bitch ass, nigga, make him scram. Niggas only like to show all they money on the ground. Yeah, I'm getting to the cheese, to the beef, and to the ham. I'ma get there when they nigga get into the yams.
She keep tryna fuck me, gosh darn. Don't got no ID, bad bitch,